Welcome to week 4. Wow, you made it all the way through to the last week. Congrats. We're almost there, the home straight. Now, before I tell you what I have in store for you on your last week, let's reflect on what you've learned and built. We covered DynamoDB, IAM, CloudFront, how to set up an S3 website, Lambda and Lex. But what have you actually built? You now should have a working, serverless, data-driven website that solves a critical business need, knowing if it's too cold for your cat. Well, if you think about it, this app has a lot of serverless topics all stitched together. So I think that's pretty cool, considering we haven't had that much time together. So what do I have in store for you now? Well, I'd like to take the user experience to the next level by integrating the conversational functionality of Amazon Lex with your web app. Now, normally, to do something like this, we would need to introduce more services like Amazon Cognito or Amazon Poly, but we're not going to do that. We're going to cheat. We're going to leverage the innate features of a browser to demo a voice user interface on a web page. The idea is that you can hit a button on the website and start talking to Lex. Lex will respond to the browser, and the browser will convert that text back to speech. Cool, right? Remember, there's no code to write. We've written all that part. All you need to do is adjust the backend API gateway to point to a different, new Lambda function that allows us to pass messages between the user and Lex. So by integrating Lex and voice in the browser, we turned a basic data-driven weather extraction app into a fun conversational voice chatbot in the browser. Now, is making Lex fully data-driven and truly conversational easy? Not so much. But lucky, we have John, and he's going to spend most of this week discussing how to make Lex smarter, and he's going to use what we call validation hooks. And once he's done, I'll come back and talk about the lab, where you get to build that into your website and have your very own mission-critical business app, Cat Weatherbot. All fully serverless, of course. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this last week's videos and exercises, and I'll see you at the end.